pancakes? Okay, how many teaspoons did you just add? You added how much? 7?
7.
Okay, so this is 8. 8. What are the ingredients to make the pancake?
I make pancake with flour
Flour and what else?
and salt.
Salt and what else?
Water.
And water. Okay. All right. So now you added 9. So I think one more is okay. Okay, you could stop here. 10 teaspoons. Now how much salt are you gonna add? How many salt? How much? One. You putting 1 teaspoon? Okay. It's about a 1/4 teaspoon. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, that's enough. You put that there. Okay, so now you said you're adding the water. So you said flour, salt, and water. So you're gonna add the water now?
You add the water.
Okay, go ahead. Okay. You're gonna stir it to see. You stir it, okay. Oh, it's a little thick. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna add more. Is it too thick, or are you gonna add more water?
Now add the water.
Okay, that's it. Still a little too thick. What are you gonna do?
Add more water.
Okay, go ahead and add more water. Okay. It's getting a little better.
That's going to go better.
Should we add a little bit more?
Yeah, I get
A little bit more. Okay. Not too much, but just a little bit more. Okay, that's good. That should be enough. Yeah, that looks better, the texture. Yeah, that's the texture we want to get before we cook the pancakes.
Yeah, before we cook the pancakes.
Yeah. Good job. Wow. You're mixing it very well.
That makes it very well.
Praise the Lord. Wow, yeah, that's a good texture. That's the texture you want to get before you cook the pancakes.
That's a good texture.
Yeah, that's a good texture. Do you think now it's ready to cook now? Okay. Now we're gonna add some coriander to the pancake mix. You just added some coconut as well. A little bit of coriander. Yeah, that's good. But if you're making for mommy, you just use simple 3 ingredients: salt, flour, and water. And now we want to add a little bit extra flavor to the
Now
pancake.
mix it.
Now you can mix it, and it's ready to cook.
It
It smells good?
And I like the smell.
You like the smell? Okay. Good job. So that's ready to cook now? Yeah, you like the smell. It's gonna be really yummy. Good job. Do you see that how it's bubbling? So do you know when it's ready? When it's bubbling, you see how it's bubbling? It's ready soon to flip. It has to bubble. See how you see all the little tiny holes and bubbles? See that?
That's a bubble.
Yes. So this is what you do. You take it like that. Okay, so you ready to flip it now for mommy? Go ahead and flip it. Go ahead. Good job! Wow. And over here, what we see as my son is stirring, this is homemade carob syrup. The ingredients: carob powder, freshly ground pumpkin seeds, or any seed of choice, water, touch of sea salt, and any sweetener of choice. That is, well, not any, but in particular, blackstrap, unsulfured blackstrap molasses, or honey. Or if you prefer unsweetened, you could just add the ingredients without the sweetener, natural sweeteners. And there you have it. Oh, and I also added some coconut, a little bit of coconut, a little touch of coconut in there. But you don't have to, it's optional. And that's it. This makes a great, delicious addition to your pancakes. Homemade pancakes.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
You enjoying your pancake?
Now I'm enjoying your pancake.